I've received from GGiking paint sprayer and I'm going to test it if it is working and if it is good. And what do we receive in the package? This is the main item, the paint sprayer, but this is built from a few parts. First part is the motor. It is powering everything. Here we have a power cord and the motor that powers the paint sprayer. Next part is a part with the paint. On the bottom we have a container with a straw, and this is important that this straw can rotate, because if you are pointing upwards we want the straw to be pointed downwards so it can suck the paint. But if you are pointing downwards, we also want the straw to look downwards so it is working well. So depending if you are working downwards or upwards, we rotate the straw to look in the correct direction. Here on the side we have a flow control. We can make it bigger or smaller. On the front we have a nozzle. It can spray vertically, horizontally or round, and we can rotate it to change the mode. We can also change the nozzle. In the package we receive the second nozzle. I think this one is bigger, and to change it we just unscrew it. Here is the old nozzle. We can place the new nozzle and screw it back. Here is the button that we press to open the spray, and here is the button that turns on the motor. And when we connect it together, we press both buttons at the same time. So we open the nozzle and we turn on the motor. Additionally, in the package we receive tools for cleaning it, and we receive important thing. This is the tool to test if the liquid is thin enough. In the manual we have right here a table that, depending on the material that we use, we have a time in seconds how long should it take for that liquid to go through this funnel, and by this we know if it needs additional thinning. And that's all that we receive. And let's try this device, if it works and how it works. As you've seen, I've tested this device. It is working. It was spraying the liquid. I've protected this furniture quite fast. It was faster than using the brush. So it is working. It is quite loud, but it is expected for a device like this. And it's hard to say more. It was working the way it should work. You put the liquid inside, it is spraying the liquid, and that's all. I've cleaned the device after the use, and that's all about this device. If you need a paint sprayer, you can check the link in the description and buy this model if it is interesting you. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.